found a new thrift store that I had not seen before. So I was driving down the street, minding my own business, and I see the Veterans Thrift Store. Now, I had never seen one of these before. So of course, I had to bust a Yui and check it out. I didn't have a lot of time, but in the 30 minutes that I was in there, I was still able to pick up some cute things for the spring. And so in this video, I am going to show you what I got. We're going to do a quick try on and of course, some styling tips to get you ready for spring 2025. Let's check it out. I haven't tried on any of the things in this video yet, so you're going to be trying it on with me. So I'm hoping they all fit really nicely and that we can do some great styles for the spring. As I said, I did not have a lot of time. I only had 30 minutes. So right to the dresses section is where I went just to check out what they had first. And let me show you what I have, and then we're going to do some styling. So the first thing is this white dress. This thing is a stunning, and bring it in for some details here. There's a button on the arm, so it looks like we could probably roll this up. It's by Floriday. I have not checked out who the maker is for this, but loved this. And the tag price is still on here. And so at Veterans Thrift, they had a 25% discount for military. So this was $12.95 and then minus my military discount. Then I grabbed this dress too. But this dress, what drew me to this dress was this angular cut here. I really like this because it just kind of, you know, makes the dress look different. And then zipper in the back, exposed zipper. This is a bar 3 dress, and this was a medium and like a chiffon material. Just absolutely love it. Super easy to style, I would say. And then the last dress that I got, not really a dress, not sure yet if this will be considered a dress, but we're going to try to figure out what we're going to do with this one. And it's a kaftan. And so it is by the brand Buddy Love. And this is what it looks like a blue and pink snake print kind of thing going on here. So we're going to try that. And then I could not resist picking this one up. And this is this beautiful basket for the spring. I mean, this thing is stunning. It is huge, obviously, but it's such a piece that I was actually happy to get this. This was $5.95. I forgot to tell you the prices on those dresses, but we'll do that when we do the try on. So let's go try these on and let's see exactly what that looks like. All right, so let's get into this first piece. All right, it's a white dress. Obviously, it's crinkled as hell because I have not washed it yet. I am doing my try on and it fits, thank God, because I absolutely love this for a spring look. But we could do some things with it. It is a little big at the edge here, if you can see my arm. So I'm going to have to do some roll ups. And then it comes with this white belt that looks actually kind of cheap. So I'm going to remove the belt and let's see how we can, you know, add some extra fun to this dress. Okay, so as I said, I did not like the white belt that was on this one. It looks a little cheap. It's like a cloth belt. So I'm going to ditch that. And I am going to try what it would look like with a broad belt that I own, thrifted, of course. All right, let's see what we're doing here. I actually love this. This is, yes, this is coming together. All right, as I said, the sleeves down here are a little too wide, so I'm going to roll those. And it looks like there's a space anyway for it to be popped up there. So let's see if that works. If not, yep, there it is. Okay. And that gives it a little more casual look. I don't even think you need to unbutton this. Just roll this up until we get the loop at the bottom. There it is again. So it's all intact. And we're just going to pin that up here. And then it's coming together. There we go. All right. So loving this so far. I'm going to add some heels to this. I'm actually, because we're styling a spring look, I'm going to add these espadrilles. These are Steve Madden espadrilles that I've had for a good time now and gives it some height. I didn't button it up, but you get the idea. This is so spring and ready for just, casual brunch date. And one more thing to add, the bag that I thrifted. Look at this look. We are slaying for 2025. This is a beautiful look, easy to put together. Literally, it's a dress, a belt to give some dimension to the look, and some espadrilles just to bring it up. You don't have to do espadrilles. You can go with some flats if you feel more comfortable. But this earrings to pop, and you are good to go. Love this look. Let's see how else we can style this white dress though, because I'm thinking of another way to do this so that it could even be more casual if you don't want to do too much. Okay, ladies, here is another look with this white dress. And this one is a little different because what I've done, I've made the dress almost like a duster, what we call in the Caribbean. But it's basically layering on top of a white tank top and some blue jeans. Yes, they're my skinny jeans. And I'm telling you, I'm in my 40s. I love me my skinny jeans, okay? So if you're still part of the skinny jeans gang, go ahead and comment below. But for now, I'm loving this. And I just put it with some thrifted flats. And you can still go ahead and still rock the purse with this look as well, because it's a comfortable, easy look, but it looks so chic. Add some earrings, a little bit of jewelry. You will stand out even though you're doing the least. Now, remember, the dress was $12.95 with a 25% discount. And that's already two outfits that I completely different looks, especially if you're going traveling and you don't want to bring a lot. This is definitely a dress that I'm adding to my spring wardrobe and to definitely the summer wardrobe for travel. What do you think? Let me know if you're feeling this dress. Was it a yay or nay for you? So I committed a cardinal sin here, and I did not try on this dress before I picked it up. Remember, I said I only had 30 minutes, so I took a gamble on this dress. I actually really, really like it. However, the one thing about sometimes, when you're thrifting, you just never know. It does not go all the way up. My hubby tried pulling it up, but it's not going all the way up. Don't stress that. All you have to do, you can't get it all the way up. Add a layering piece over it. I actually think the layering piece makes this dress look a little nicer. I have this crop jacket, denim jacket, that is one of my absolute favorite things to have in the spring. And I just added that with it. You can see the part down here. It looks amazing. It's not too hot. Spring is not going to make me feel like I have to take this off. And then I'm just going to add this cute little purse that I got at an estate sale to bring out the yellows in the dress, and some clear heels. You can wear whatever you want on your feet on here, but I think this clear heels go because it doesn't take too much away from the print and everything that's going on. So the dress was actually $3.95 with 25% off discount. So I think it's still a score, even if the zipper doesn't go all the way up. Who needs to know any of that? It's a beautiful dress. It's a great spring piece, and I'm loving it. What do you think? What do you think of the hack of adding a little jacket to camouflage the fact that it is not zipped all the way up, but it's not falling off of me and it's staying up regardless. So I think this is a great piece to add to the spring wardrobe. Let me know in the comments below if it's a yay or nay for you. So this is the last piece, and I love this piece. It is beautiful. I could see this spring and summer for sure. This could be used over some swimsuit as well, but absolutely, this is definitely from pool to lunch, or this is something I could wear just to hang out on a brunch with the girls. Now, I got two pairs of shoes on here. And so you could tell me, what are you feeling? I'm looking at the blues in the piece, and that's why I'm bringing out, one going with the lighter blue and then more with the darker blue. But actually, I am more feeling this guy here. So I'm going to swap those out, and I'm going to try this one on with it because I think the darker blues and the pointy toe is giving a little more chic. There we go. And so definitely love this. Definitely love this. Feeling it. And look at that. Look at the sway in that, the movement. You walk through the room, they're looking like, who is that? Now, this piece was $4.95. And then I had another additional 25% off. So I think that's a score. Let's add this piece that can absolutely go very nicely with this. Remember, the purse was $5.95 with an additional 25% off. And this is a really good piece. There's a bag that literally is gone with all pieces that I've gotten so far. I really love it. Okay, Thrifting Divas, which one was your favorite piece? Is it the white dress or the dress that could not zip up or this little darling here? I am loving all of them. I'm going to keep all of them. And of course, to add to the great part of this purse went with every single piece, and I'm definitely going to be using this a lot this spring because it was such a good deal. Now, if you love what you've seen in this video, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and share this video with another thrifting diva who loves to live a luxe lifestyle on a budget and absolutely know they can look fabulous without spending a lot of money. Until next time, bye.